Good evening, this is Nova Hart and you are watching AI Digify Squad TV. Today we will be talking about AI giants pay creators for unused footage to train models. Major tech companies are paying creators for unused video footage to train advanced AI video models. Firms like Google, OpenAI, and Moonvalley now offer creators $1 for dollars per minute for exclusive, unpublished content with high-quality videos such as 4K, drone, and 3D animations commanding premium prices. This marks a shift from scraping public content to direct licensing agreements, ensuring a more ethical approach to AI training.
Specialized intermediaries like Troveo AI facilitate these deals, streamlining negotiations and licensing. Troveo has already paid over $5 million to creators. Agreements include safeguards to prevent AI companies from replicating creators' work or mimicking exact scenes.
This trend offers creators a new revenue stream for otherwise unused content. However, experts warn the opportunity may be short-lived as AI companies accelerate their efforts to secure training data. Creators are encouraged to act swiftly to benefit from this lucrative market. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates on innovation shaping our world.